friends, welcome back to Gaumi's channel. This is Gautami. In today's video, I'm going to share some few ideas how to engage kids at home during these long holidays, which I follow for my kid and it works. So let's get into the video.
First, make them help in your daily household chores. Now my son is filling the empty methi box and he loves doing it. You can make them ask them to help in your grating, cutting, and now he is arranging the plates for lunch. And after lunch he is wiping his place where he spilled some food. And now he's helping me in kitchen in pounding some coriander seeds, which he loves doing it. So ask them as, can you help me in doing something? So sure they will help for you. So in this way you can make them learn many things too. Second is gardening. So daily you can allot 10 to 15 minutes as a gardening time for your kids. You can educate them, tell them about the importance of plants and trees in their life. So here my son is sowing some coriander seeds. So kids love doing all these small works. So they love water, they love watering plants too. You can try with your kids, sure they will do it. So give them the responsibility that this plant is yours, that this pot is yours, it's your responsibility. So if the plant is growing well, it's because of you watering daily. You can tell them all these things so that you can encourage your kids. So it's my son's duty to water all the plants daily. He used to enjoy it and do. So even if I'm watering, he says, Amma, no, you don't need to water. Third, allot some study time, maximum half an hour to 1 hour for your kids based on their age. You can make them read, write, you can read storybooks for them. Speak about numbers, alphabets, fruits, everything.
Ball, cat, drum, hen, kite, jacket, ball, apple, goose.
Fourth is playtime. So have playtime. Let them have their own time to play. So in this situation, we cannot allow kids to play outdoor. So we can play only indoor games with them. So play with them with their favorite toys. So they will learn automatically when they are playing. So they can learn numbers, they will learn colors, they can learn shapes. They will learn the material names. So give them as many names as possible so that they will gain words. So concept learning will take place. So do many puzzles which will help them find their solution by themselves. So here he is doing opposite puzzles. So give the names while they are playing. So let them know the names for each and everything. So after playing, let them clean up their own toys. You can tell them to clean up. First, in the initial stages, you can sit with them and help. And then when they grow up, let them do by themselves. Fifth one is self-care. So give them the responsibility to take care of their own things. So there are many things like that, like brushing, combing their hair by themselves, dressing up themselves, so drying their own clothes. So here my son is drying his own clothes. So folding their clothes. Their clothes are tiny, so they can easily do it. So teach them how to do it. Let them practice. So they learn very easily. So once or twice they practice, then they will do it very perfectly. They love doing it. So here he is cleaning his cycle. So tell them they should keep all their things very clean, neat and tidy. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Comment your suggestions about the video. Subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.